Will AI take down IT jobs? Artificial intelligence is growing rapidly, and many people working in IT are asking the same question: will AI take our jobs? The short answer is AI will change IT jobs, but it won't completely replace them. AI is already helping developers write code faster, automate testing, and manage systems more efficiently. Tools like AI code assistants can generate code, fix bugs, and even suggest better solutions. Because of this, some repetitive tasks in IT may disappear. For example, basic coding, manual testing, or routine support tasks can increasingly be handled by AI systems. But here's the important part: AI still needs humans. AI cannot fully understand business needs, think creatively, or make complex decisions like humans do. Software development is not just about writing code. It involves planning, problem solving, communication, and designing systems that work in the real world. These are areas where human professionals are still essential. In fact, AI is creating new opportunities in the IT industry. Roles such as AI engineers, machine learning specialists, prompt engineers, AI ethicists, and data scientists are growing rapidly. Developers who learn how to work with AI tools will become more productive and valuable in the industry. Think of AI as a powerful assistant rather than a replacement. Just like calculators didn't replace mathematicians and automation didn't eliminate engineers, AI will transform how IT professionals work. The future of IT jobs will belong to people who adapt, learn new technologies, and use AI as a tool to improve their work. So instead of fearing AI, the better question to ask is, how can we use AI to become better developers and innovators? Because in the end, AI will not replace programmers. Programmers who use AI will replace those who don't.